This tutorial review will show you how to set up level roles on Discord server. So if you're trying to create a level roles for your server, you have to create a roles first. So open your server and click on the server name and go to server settings. Select roles and click on create role and give here the role name. And select a color for the role. Save changes. And once you created the role, it's time to add a bot to your server. So open this bot website tatsu.gg and click on add Tatsu. Select your server where you want to add the bot and click on continue. Authorize and ensure that you're a human. Now go to your server and make sure the Tatsu bot add date, and now go to the bot website and here select servers and now click on the server where you just added the bot. And here select the modules tab, click on rewards and economy, and here you'll find the leveled role, so click on that and select the role you just created on your server and enter here score requirement, add, and that's how we can create level roles on Discord. On your Discord server, use this command to see your ranking, !rank, and you will get your rank card here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.